Now let's shift our focus to the tale of IS Pooja that is turning out murkier as more and more skeletons are tumbling out of her closet. What started out as a shocking example of entitlement and Lal Batti mindset that enraged the nation has now become a tale of fraud, lies and a blatant attempt to twist two rules for one's personal benefit. Now the curious case of two certificates has emerged. Times Now has accessed two separate medical certificates. One from 2007, where Pooja is deemed medically fit, and another from 2022, where the medical certificate declared Pooja as medically unfit. The certificate also says that hers is a case of locomotive disability and has 7% permanent disability in the left leg. While the Department of Personnel and Training has begun its investigation into the charges of fake OBC and disability certificates, now Times Now has learnt that Pooja also tried to get a certificate claiming that she was physically impaired. Tests were conducted in 2022 and the hospital then rejected her application after tests.
23 अगस्त 2022 में इन्होंने हमारे आउंद हॉस्पिटल के इस पे रजिस्ट्रेशन किया हुआ है और उनका डुप्लीकेट रजिस्ट्रेशन हुआ है। ऐसे पोर्टल पे जब डिटेल्स में स्क्रूटिनाइज होता है तो उस दिन 11 अक्टूबर 2022 में रिजेक्ट हुआ है। रीज़न एक ही है, डुप्लीकेट हुआ है रजिस्ट्रेशन, यानी प्रीवियसली अदर इंस्टीट्यूट में या अदर हॉस्पिटल्स में उन्होंने इनरोल किया है ऐसा लगता है, इसलिए डुप्लीकेट की वजह से सिस्टम जनरेटेड रिजेक्शन हुआ है और यहाँ पे उन्होंने आए नहीं है।
Not only that, the director of Medical College has also confirmed that Pooja Khedkar used non-creamy layer certificate in 2007 to secure admission in MBBS.
She was admitted in 2007. She had submitted the caste certificate, caste validity and non-creamy layer certificate. This certificate was issued by the authorities of Ahmednagar district. She has submitted the certificate of medical fitness, which does not mention any disability in her.
But even with evidence mounting against IS Pooja, action by the police has been slow. The Pune police finally seized the Audi car 3 days after a notice was issued by the traffic department directing the owners to submit documents of the car. Pooja Khedkar has used a red and blue beacon along with a VIP number plate on the private car in violation of the Motor Vehicles Act. She had also got Maharashtra government written on the vehicle without permission.
Well, right now where we are present is at the Chaturshungi Traffic Police Department, and you can see in the visuals that the Audi car which Pooja was using by putting up a Lal Batti as well as Maharashtra government board on her private car is now at the police station. What we are coming to know is that the driver of Khedekar family has came here to give the keys of the car. However, he has not submitted the papers of the car which was asked by the Pune Traffic Police Department. There are pending 26,500 rupees challan on this particular car. However, now the probe is initiated by Traffic Police Department. But you can see in the visuals, this is a private car of Khedekar family which Pooja was using. But there was a Lal Batti, there was a Maharashtra government board. Now this is a MH12AR 7000 car which Pooja was using, and it's a private car. It is not allowed to put up a Lal Batti or Maharashtra government board on it. However, Pooja was using it, and now the matter will be investigated by the Traffic Police Department. The papers of the car is not submitted yet. Sir, अभी आप इतना बता दीजिए कितनी टीम्स बनी है?
इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है मैम हमारा, हम बताएंगे आपको।
आपने उनके अलग-अलग लोकेशंस पे भी ट्राई किया है?
इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है।
But even now, Pooja Khedkar remains defiant, citing her constitutional right. She said that she is innocent till proven guilty.
See, our Indian constitution is based on the fact that innocent until proven guilty. So, by media trial, proving me guilty is actually wrong on everybody's part. So, this is a basic right of everybody. Every person, you also know, any person who is considered guilty in our system is innocent until he is proven guilty. And you can say it has been alleged, but this proving me guilty like this, I do not think that is correct. So whatever my submission is, I will give it in front of the committee and the truth will come out.
And it's not just her. Her parents, who are facing allegations of using fake certificates to claim relaxations, are now missing. The cops have today issued a notice to Manorama Khedkar and Dilip Khedkar after they were booked for brandishing a pistol during an argument. When police visited their home in connection with the probe, they didn't find the couple. 3 teams have now been formed to track them down. The teams are looking for them in Mumbai, Pune and Ahmednagar. Police said they have not been cooperating in the entire probe.
Sir, can we say the family is absconding?
हम अब उनको ढूंढ रहे हैं. अभी यहाँ तो आप देख सकती है लॉक है घर पे.
तो absconding बोल सकते हैं कि नहीं बोल सकते हैं? सर आप बताइए.
अभी यहाँ तो नहीं मिले तो आप समझ जाओ.
And when Times Now confronted Pooja about the whereabouts of her parents, she refused to answer straight questions.
मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला है इस विषय में मैं कोई
It is not part of the investigation. Your family is absconding.
It is related to my thing, so I cannot talk about it.
Your mother has been flaunting guns, and police is looking after them, but they are absconding.
No, that's what I'm telling you. Related to this whole issue, I cannot say anything because the rules do not permit me.
So have you spoken to your parents, because your father is giving interviews? जांच कमेटी से बात हो पाई ना?
Meanwhile, now a political storm is brewing over a cheque issued by Pooja's mother, Manorama Khedkar, to Gopinath Munde Trust. Opposition parties led by Maharashtra Leader of Opposition, Vijay Wadettiwar, are demanding that the government must probe why the family donated money to a BJP-linked organization.
नहीं वही ना, वो उजागर होना चाहिए, वो नाम आना चाहिए और आप लोगों ने भी, माध्यम ने भी सब चलाना चाहिए. ये कौन भ्रष्टाचारी नेता है जो अपनी संस्था के लिए ये कुछ ना कुछ फायदा पूजा खेड़कर की मां ने अगर दिया है तो कोई इनको, इस फैमिली को कुछ ना कुछ फायदा पहुंचाने के लिए दिया होगा. कोई उठाकर अपनी जेब से पैसे तो देते नहीं, वो भी चेक से दिया है. और ये क्रिमिनल बोलते कि हमारा इनकम ही 8 लाख के नीचे है. हाउ पॉसिबल? अब इसके बारे में जांच चल रही है, उचित कार्रवाई होगी.
अब एक नया विवाद सामने आ गया है कि उन्होंने 12 लाख रुपए से ज्यादा की एक रकम दी है गोपीनाथ मुंडे प्रतिष्ठान को. आप सबको पता है कि गोपीनाथ मुंडे प्रतिष्ठान एक बड़े नेता से जुड़ी हुई संस्था है. इतना जल्दी कैडर मिलता नहीं है आईएएस का. क्या कारण है? किसने मदद की है? किस अधिकारी की मिली भगत से आईएएस बनी है? किस राजनेता के सपोर्ट से आईएएस बनी है?
इनको अगर नॉन क्रिमिनल सर्टिफिकेट मिला है तो इसका साफ मतलब है कि उन्होंने अपनी आमदनी 8 लाख से कम दिखाई है. अब ये मामला सामने आया कि पूजा की माताजी ने 12,12,000 रुपए का डोनेशन भी दिया था. जो फैमिली, जो व्यक्ति 12 लाख रुपए का डोनेशन दे सकता है वो नॉन क्रिमिनल में कैसे आ सकता है? इन सारी चीज़ों की इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए और इन्होंने जो कुछ भी गलत किया है उन पर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए.